So welcome back to accountancy class. This is NCERT 11th class accountancy book, and you practice this problem first of all. 11th problem. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Himanshu. Only 3 plus 4, 7 transactions are there. You journalize them. Okay. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Total you can see. So now we will examine the transactions. First one, business started with cash. It is two accounts that are involved in this transaction are cash account and capital account. Capital account is always credit. Automatically cash account is to be debited. Cash account debtor to capital account. Okay. Second one, purchased goods for cash. What is the journal entry for this one?
Purchased account data to cash account.
Yes, once again.
Purchases account data to cash account.
So purchases account debtor to cash account. Third one, what is the journal entry for this one?
Sales account data to Swati's account.
No, sales is always credit. Swati account debtor to sales account. Is it correct or not? Sales is always credit, I mentioned. Purchases is always a debit. Sales is always a credit. Purchases returns always credit. Sales returns always debit. Capital credit. Drawings debit. I mentioned already. These will not change. These will not change. Sales will never come on debit side. Okay. So Swati account debtor to sales account. Is it clear?
Yes.
No. Next one. What is the journal transaction? Journal entry for this one, for this transaction?
Cash account data to furniture.
No, furniture is coming to you. Furniture is asset, real account. Debit what comes in? Furniture account data to cash account.
Okay.
Furniture account data to cash account. Have you forgotten all?
No, sir.
Then why serially 2 mistakes? When you are purchasing asset, that asset account will be debited. When you are selling asset, that asset account will be credited, not sales account, not purchase account. Okay. Now next one. On December 18th, what is the journal entry for this one? Yes, what is the journal entry?
Yes, sir. Cash account data to Swati account.
See, very good. Here you made again a mistake. You see, in full settlement means you have to verify previous transactions. See, you sold goods to Swati. What is the worth of the goods? 5,000 rupees. But
5,000.
you received only 4,000 in full settlement. Means what is the difference?
Okay.
What is the amount of the difference between the two?
1,000.
1,000. What is it?
Loss or discount.
Loss in the name of discount. So cash
Okay.
account debt are 4,000, discount account debt are 1,000, to swap E account 5,000. Likewise, you have to write. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So that is why I asked you to do a problem from the book. Next, you rectify those mistakes. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Next one, paid rent. What is the journal entry? Paid rent, and another one, paid salary. What is the journal entry?
Cash account data to rent account.
No. That is again mistake. See, when you are paying rent means it is expenditure, no? Cash is going out, no? Debit all
Yes, sir.
expenses. Rent account data to cash account.
Okay, sir.
Cash is going out, rent is expenditure. Then what is paid salary? What is the journal entry?
Salary account data to cash account.
Very good. Salary account data to cash account.
Yes.
So I am again mentioning the journal entries. First one is cash account data to capital account. You verified. Purchased goods for cash. Purchased
Yes,
data to cash account. Swati account data to sales account. Furniture account data to cash account. Cash account data are 4,000. Discount account data are 1,000. That 1,000 is the difference between 5,000 and 4,000. That is discount. That is a loss for us. Debit all expenses and losses according to nominal account. So cash account data are 4,000. Discount account data are 1,000. To who is responsible for that? Swati. To Swati account.
Swati.
Then rent account data to cash account. Salary account data to cash account. Did you understand?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this 12th problem also you do, Jaldi. 12th problem also, the up to 10th date you do first. No problem. Next page I will share again. Or
Okay.
otherwise I will try in a single page. No, it is going up, no? So up to 10th January 10th you do. That's all. In this 12th problem you can see he commenced business with cash and he commenced business with building. Both at a time he invested. So you can take it as cash account data, buildings account data. This is buildings account data to capital account, data to capital account. Likewise, okay. So on the same date, first January 1st only. So 1,75,000 against cash account you will write. Against buildings you will write 1 lakh, and against capital you will write 2,75,000. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Any assets I mentioned in the initial classes. A person can begin his business with the cash and other assets also. All assets will also be treated as capital. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, first transaction, January 1, 1st January. Yes. cash account debtor, capital account debtor, sorry, cash account debtor, buildings account debtor
Buildings.
to capital account. Okay.
Yes.
Next, second one.
Purchases account debtor to cash account.
Very good. Next one.
Ramesh account debtor to sales account.
Okay, very good. Next.
Wages account debtor to cash account.
Very good. Next. Next.
Cash account debtor to sales account.
Very good. Next. Next one.
Sir, I don't get this.
Trade expenses account debtor to cash account. All expenses only, no?
Okay.
Trade
Yes,
expenses
sir.
account debtor to cash account. That's all. Trade expenses account debtor to cash account. Okay, next, these transactions also up to January 25th it is there. 25th January, you complete this also. Okay. Now you can see cash received from Ramesh 29,500, discount allowed 500. See, in the previous transaction on January 3rd, you can verify sold goods to Ramesh, 30,000 worth goods you sold to him. Okay. But you settled his account with 29,500 rupees cash and 500 you allowed as discount.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Same you have to link. Now similarly here also
Yes, sir.
you can see goods purchased for not, it is from. Okay, printing mistake it is. Goods purchased from Sudhir. And see on 25th you can see cash paid to Sudhir. He has allowed us discount also. To complete this quickly, you complete. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the doubt? Tell me. What is the transaction?
So I drew cash for personal use.
Yes, it is drawings. Drawings is always debit. Drawings account debtor to cash account.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Drew means which he has withdrawn. Drew, drawn. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, next one also you see. Goods used, it is past tense you have to write, not used. Printing mistake. Goods used for household. It is also drawings, but the transaction that took place on the 28th, he has withdrawn cash. But here he has used goods.
Goods.
Okay. So here in this case, in the earlier case, you will mention it as drawing as account debtor to cash account. But now here you will mention drawings account debtor to purchases account you should mention. See, purchases is always debit I mentioned, no? But
Yes,
in
sir.
this case, you have to credit the transaction. This is an exceptional case. When the owner uses goods for his personal use, purchases account will be credited.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is an exceptional case. Yes, what you read the journal entries?
Yes, sir. First one is cash account debtor discount account debtor to Ramesh account.
Okay, very good. Next one.
Purchases account to Sudhir's account.
Very good. Next.
Cartage account debtor to cash account.
Very good. Next.
Drawings account debtor to cash account.
Okay, very good. Next one.
Drawings account debtor to purchases account.
Okay, very good. Last one.
Cash account debtor, discount account debtor to Sudhir's account.
Very good. Very good. Now, next 13th one. You
Yes.
read this question. If at all any new transaction is there, if at all any doubt is there, means you tell me. Otherwise, you do it as homework.
Okay, sir.
13th one you read, and if at all any doubt is there, you ask me now itself. Yes. It is opened, not open. Okay, past tense. Already she opened. Hema started
Yes, sir.
business with cash. She opened a bank account with SBI. Now, what is the journal entry for this one? You tell me. Opened a bank account with SBI. What is its journal entry?
Bank account debtor to cash account.
Very good. Bank account data to cash account. See, our bank balance is an asset. It is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Cash is going out. So both are
Yes.
real accounts. Okay,
Yes.
like that you treat. Any new transaction is there? Anything you are unable to understand means you ask me.
Sir, December 28th one, sir.
December 20th one.
Yes, sir.
Check given to Ashu. Means Ashu account data to bank account. That's all.
Okay.
On account is, you need not take into consideration. That is simple. For your confusion, you have given like check issue to Ashu in
Okay,
simple
sir.
terms it is.
Okay, sir.
Next one, are any doubts are there means you ask.
No, sir. No doubt.
This you take as homework. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, so thank you very much. In the next class, we will go to 14th problem. Thank you very much.